In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, individuals are discovering lucrative opportunities by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. The TikTok creativity program beta has become a game-changer, offering compensation exceeding $1 per 1,000 views for content creators with the right audience. Consider this: a single video as a recording amassed 3.2 million views, translating to over $3,200 in earnings for the account owner. Picture the potential: a staggering $112,000 per hour if all videos were to go viral. Accessing the TikTok creativity program beta from anywhere in the world, regardless of your location, is the first crucial step. An ingenious method involves obtaining a US TikTok account and a special discount code. How Do I 20 provides a 20% reduction for an 11 Labs subscription. Creating content that goes viral requires strategic elements. Intentionally introducing mistakes or saying peculiar things engages viewers, fostering increased rewatching and comments. A well-placed call to action at the end, urging users to follow for part 2, enhances follower acquisition. The initial seconds of your video, known as the hook, are paramount. Make it captivating, controversial, or extraordinary to retain short attention spans. Consistency is key in the TikTok realm. Now let's delve into the creation process. The chosen niche revolves around ChatGPT image creation stories, a rising trend that garners substantial views. Using AI, specifically ChatGPT, for image generation and script creation streamlines the process. Next, voiceovers are crafted using 11 Labs, aligning with the generated script. A repository of high-quality background clips, sound effects, and downloadable assets is provided, eliminating the need for extensive online searches. The final step involves using the free editing software CapCut to assemble all assets into a cohesive video. Proper layering of background gameplay, voiceovers, screenshots, and sound effects creates a visually appealing and engaging piece. Adjusting volume levels, adding effects, and ensuring a smooth flow completes the process.